everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back here, Natural Transplants in the DC office. We have welcoming back Tim. He was one of our superstar patients of almost a year ago, 11, 12 months ago. So time has flown by, and you look much more improved, a little thicker up on the top.
Yes.
Thanks for doing this, first of all. And it's always nice to kind of have the before and after stuff. Give us an update on the year. How'd it go? What'd you like? What'd you didn't like? Tell us how it went.
Went well. I didn't shave my head, so I kind of just took it back. So
Right.
I kind of looked a little bit crazy for a few weeks with half hair to here. But things went well. The scar on the back, I had 2 previous procedures done
Right.
well over a decade ago, and the scar is definitely much thinner, and
Good.
I can cut my hair a little bit shorter now,
Good.
which was helpful.
You get a little bit more freedom wearing your hair in the front, but also in the back,
in the back
too.
as well. Yeah,
good.
I can definitely do that.
Good.
Everything went well. I followed all the instructions that you said, and
Awesome. Hopefully there won't be a next time, but if there is, you're shaving your head next time.
I will shave my head
let's
next time,
hope there isn't a next time. That's awesome. So what we're going to have you do, we're going to kind of put the before pictures up here as well too.
Sure.
But just look kind of, have you look down just a touch, hold your head nice and still. There you go, and then look straight back up at me, and then either go left or right, pick a side, and then just kind of move in here. Awesome. And then other side. It's beautiful. Love it. Have other people sort of recognized it, or was it more subtle and
absolutely? People I work with were like, I let it grow for a little while. I cut it a couple weeks ago. The girl I was seeing wanted it a little bit longer, and I cut it short. They're like, it's much thicker now than it was before.
Very good.
So definitely getting compliments.
What would you, other than shaving the head, what would you recommend someone that's sort of sitting on the fence? I mean, you're experienced now. You've gone through this 3 times. What would you tell somebody who's kind of thinking about doing it, doing some research?
Don't think about it anymore. Just do it. Yeah. Just get it done. I mean, it's if it's going to make you happy and make you feel better about yourself, just go ahead and do it.
Amen.
I mean, it's a short term, 2 to 3 weeks. Scabs come off.
Yeah.
I mean, wear a hat. You'll
it's 2
be.
weeks of your life.
I literally sitting myself driving up here. I was like, this is the best decision I made.
Awesome.
So
I feel the same way too. I feel the same way. I've never had anyone say they wish they hadn't done it. It's always, I wish we'd done it. I wish I'd done it.
Absolutely.
Everybody says that. Yeah. Very cool. Tim, I appreciate you doing this, sharing your story with everybody. Send us postcards, man. Love it. All right. Thanks a lot.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.